This is a used 2014 Jeep Compass. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include digital audio input, steering wheel controls, premium rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, roof rails, cruise control, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Babbitt Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 11 North Verdi Street, Flagstaff, Arizona 86002.